The experience has been pleasant for us. We are looking forward for lot many business collaborations from this platform.
We have been participating with D-arc for the last 3 years, and we have found the platform extremely beneficial for the brand.
We thank the D-arc BUILD organization and the association for giving us an opportunity to have a stall in us.
Had an absolute amazing time here at D-arc BUILD. The speakers, the presentations, super informative.
These stalls were fantastic. The range of products that covered urban design, architecture and interiors was simply fantastic.
It has been such a wonderful time to really come over here and be the part of the D-arc exhibition as a whole.
I saw a very fine sense of discipline in the organization, and most importantly, a sense of dignity in the whole show. And that makes D-arc BUILD a very unique experience.